How are you all today? Well, we arrived in sunny Blackpool yesterday, and today it is raining, believe it or not. Look, it's raining, and it's supposed to be the air show. Will the air show still be going ahead? Just have to wait and see. But it's not putting anybody off coming out, is it, darling? No. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be going getting some breakfast from Happy Days. Happy Days is just down the road here, and we're just going to be going down there and getting a nice breakfast. Quite looking forward to going there, something different today. So join us on a trip to, well, on the walk to Happy Days. I think we should have bought a poncho or an umbrella because it's there we go. See you guys, it's raining here. It's just absolutely dinging it down here. So, oh look, they've got their covers on there, keep their hats dry. Over there, there's fire engines and the red arrows over there as well. We're going to have a look after our breakfast. Happy Days, it's owned by who?
The chicken. No,
Pete, by his friend Pete. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, I thought it looked as well. Oh.
I'm afraid Happy Days is closed.
Yeah, I live in it.
Yes. So, where are we going to go for our breakfast? Shall we have a look here? But anyway, we might go into Happy Days and get something later on. We'll have a look in Happy Days. There is a cafe up there where we went to before. Up this road. So we might go there and try it out.
Right,
I think. So, guys, I like this shop. Look, you can get your own drawing if you want to. Just on this road here. There we go, just come up here and you're there. And this is where we're going. We're going to be going to the Galleon Gas Tap. That's up the menu. Yeah. So let's guys, these are the menu of the breakfast here. You've got your small vegan, vegetarian, your large vegetarian, and your Galleon special. And then you've got here as well. So we're going to go for a small breakfast, I think. Guys, we're going to be going there tomorrow for breakfast at Happy Days. We decided that. It opens at 11, so we'll be going there for breakfast tomorrow. But we will pop in later on to have a look. But meanwhile, we're going to head up to the town to see what's happening. Guys, we're in the town. We're having a walk, and it's kind of busy. I think they're all getting ready for the air show.
Just like
He's doing a good job. He is blind and plays the guitar, believe it or not. I think that is well good. Right guys, we are down. We're going to be walking along the promenade. Everybody is geared up for the air show. Hopefully it will go ahead. So we're going to go and have a look to see what's here down on the promenade. Let's see what's happening down here, guys. here we go. We have an ambulance, an army ambulance here. This is what they use in the army. Do you guys still use it?
Yes.
Yeah?
Still in service now.
Yeah?
Still in service.
Still in service.
Yep.
How long have you had it for?
These ones?
Yeah.
20 years?
20 years. They're doing well for their age, I tell you, aren't they?
They're
You
well
know?
looked after. They get service every 6 months.
That's good then, that's good. Well done. Thank you very much.
worries.
Have a good day. Will do. There we go. So that ambulance has been there for 20 years, been in service for 20 years, and it's still well maintained as well. And if you want to join the army, you can come here. And as well, there we go, North Irish Medical Regiment. There's a dummy there, look as well. Like a display dummy as well. And then here you've got a display of other stuff as well. Stuff here as well. Are you all guys fine today? Yes? Good, good. Let's hope the weather stays dry for the air show, eh? Yeah. Yeah. Well, you guys are undercover anyway. But have a good day, won't you? Will do.
Got a feeling you're a YouTuber.
Yeah, what's happening here? Plenty of stuff happening here today, guys. Royal Artillery. Let's see what this is here. Hello there. Are you fine? Hello there. Yes. What's this then?
So this is part of the artillery. This is one of our unit drones.
Yeah.
One of our medium-sized drones.
Uh-huh.
Our job in the artillery, finding strike the enemy.
It's bigger than my drone. I've only got 50 grams, like, you know.
A little bit bigger.
Yeah.
But yeah, it doesn't have any weapon systems attached. It's literally just components and gather information.
Yeah. Does it have a camera on it as well?
Yeah, it's not put in here at the moment.
All right,
It's
yeah.
expensive for us to take over.
Yeah.
It has infrared, so we can just, what we do, it has live feeds, so
Yeah.
we'll constantly be on the laptop, scanning the sky,
Scanning.
seeing, what's happening.
How long does it last?
Not too long, this one's roughly about 2.5 hours.
It's not bad then, is it?
But we do have, just like your phone, every year
Yeah.
everything gets updated.
Updated, yeah,
So this
yeah.
one has just been updated, so we've got a new one that can fly.
Alright, there we go.
We've got another one that can fly for about
8 hours.
8 hours.
8 hours.
Yeah.
And this is 18 up to 18 hours.
18 hours. That's the sort I need to fly. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good one. Let's have a look here. There's some guns here as well. Let's look at these bad boys. Look at that. See? Big. Let's look around here. No, definitely not. More stuff here as well. More guns and all that. Machine guns. I think they could be infrared. I'm not sure. We'll have a look. Hello there. What's this here? Looks like a video camera.
It's a thermal sight.
Ah, thermal. That's good. That's good.
That fits on top of either of these weapons
Uh-huh.
and also gives you a thermal picture.
Thermal picture. And can you use them in the night time as well? You can.
You're welcome.
That's actually handy. It looks like they just look like one of those video cameras you hold. That looks good. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Right guys, look at this dummy here, eh?
Stay and fire, 1600 metres. So you've got a lot of purchase for that. It's an area weapon as well, so obviously keep the heads down, smash them. Yeah, pick it up, mate, have a feel. Feel it weight.
Oh my word.
It's heavy, yeah, it is heavy, mate.
Very heavy. Yeah.
That's basically, mate, I won't take it all off. But after so many rounds, you just change your barrel, it starts glowing. And it might explode. If it explodes, we're having a bad day, aren't we? So you only carry 3 barrels, so we're not weapon, and you carry 2 with you.
My God,
Mate.
man.
Yeah, a good bit of kit, mate. Yeah.
It is, yeah. I would have a sore shoulder carried up
Yeah.
around, yeah.
Feel fellas, pick it up, by all means. Yeah.
Oh, Oh, look, one hand is just about. Oh my god. That's just amazing, isn't it? Ooh. You don't have to go to the gym all day, I tell you. Just...
Well, I don't know about that.
Oh dear, dear. Oh, thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
Will do. More stuff there, look guys. Bag, I like the rucksack as well.
Yeah, do you want to donate please? Right, good evening.
Yeah. There's a thingy there, look.
Oh, aye.
Yeah. And a gun as well.
Change it. Yeah. You got free stuff.
There we go guys, here's the red arrow stuff. All your red arrow stuff, look at that. We've got the cadets as well, cadets are here. And then it's your red arrow stuff again. Your blade,
Toy red arrows, yeah.
toy red arrows. Got Teddy. There's a jigsaw. What else is there? We'll have a look. Yeah. Jigsaw puzzle, pencil, all sorts, yeah. Like the look of that. Hi guys, you're fine? So let's carry on right here. Oh, music played, we have to be careful. Yeah.
Look at cards on here.
Huh?
All the sorts of boxes. Somewhere.
Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, not too bad, and you? So far so good, I tell you. Loving it, yes.
Hope you have a lovely day.
Will do, thank you very much. How often do you use this boat?
So we are around the Atlantic next year, January.
January, yeah.
Lanzarote to Antigua we're doing.
Lovely.
3,200 miles. So here, just raise a little social profile. Would you like a leaflet to take away? You can
Yes, please,
Follow our
why
journey
not?
when we start in January.
We shall do that.
That'll
Definitely be
amazing.
following
Show
it.
us some support.
Give us a like
good
and all
luck message and all
that.
that.
We will. We'll give these guys a good luck message, and we will follow their progress all the
Awesome.
way.
Thank you very
Good
much.
luck. Thank you very much. Let's go this way.
Oh, it's good.
I think here you can queue to see the guys for the red arrows. Yes, these are the guys from the red arrows, and a couple of weeks ago I think they were up in RAF Lossiemouth. Hello guys, were you up in RAF Lossiemouth a couple of weeks ago?
I wasn't personally,
No.
but the rest of the team were, yeah. I went up a couple of days later to pick up the jet that we left there.
Lovely, lovely. We were watching just along the coast, and we heard them and we saw them.
You got
So
good
it
hearing,
was,
you
yeah, definitely. So we're looking forward to for it later on.
Well, fingers crossed with the
Fingers
weather, yeah.
crossed, yeah.
Right, it is good.
Yeah. There we go. These guys are handing out brochures and. Could I get their flag as well, please?
Thank you.
Oh, brilliant.
Don't
Can I?
mind, can I?
Yes, and a picture as well for my
yes,
nephew.
are the different
Take it back
ones?
home to her. Thank you very much.
Different ones.
the same.
Yes. Oh my god, there's other stuff here as well.
Oh, you're Argentina.
Yeah. Hi guys, you enjoyed yourselves? Good. Are you looking forward to seeing the air display later on?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah, it's all kitted out as well with your ponchos. Well done. Enjoy yourselves. Right, we have the Red Arrow guard here, selling all the merch. So we'll have a look and see what they got over here. They got DVDs, they got tights, riders, Red Arrow DVDs, socks, bags. They got a jigsaw. Oh, now the jigsaw looks good.
Yes, please, anybody?
You might have to get that.
Let's have a look there, mate. What those? And which one? That one. Just go. No. Where's Bolt out?
So we're going to take one of these here, I think. There's key, huh? Yeah. There's key rings, there's all sorts, yeah. Teddies.
Oh, the best of it.
Yeah. Hello, Teddy. Hey, we have a Teddy. Look. There we go. Well done. Hey, there we go. Selfies. I like that. That's good. He's nice and warm, isn't he, Mr. Teddy? It's not a problem. Have a good day, won't you? Bye bye.
It's right there.
Yes. What's
Got
that?
you a high five on the way.
Huh?
He's got you a high five.
Oh! Let's go back and get to him. here? Aye, it is, isn't it? A lot, I know, I wouldn't. Hey. Might do.
Only know if you every single one's just an overcoaster. I've never seen any of anything else there.
No, this one will be good. There's a simulator here, guys. We might do it later on.
Price what it is.
We'll have a look at the price. £7. £7. Not bad. Yes.
25 you say come right in, give us 21, then you wait, 21 is the combination. Then you are looking for. Open them up, add up the numbers there, open up the tickets, add up the numbers there, mix and match your numbers here today, mix and match your tickets. Open them up, add up the numbers.
That's not rub, is it?
Who? No.
We're gonna walk up here, guys, and have a look. Hello, guys. You're fine? Good, good. Yes, thank you.
Salt and pepper chicken wings. That's good. Salt and pepper chicken. Oh, that's all I would try anytime. You know, just have a breakfast.
I know.
Very later on.
We're coming up beside the red arrows on display.
I think I was like to get 6,000 steps a day.
Huh?
I think I was like to get 6,000 steps a day, wouldn't it be long?
I know, eh?
$4,000 so far. That's what, yeah.
There we go, guys. One of the planes here.
Yeah, it's got one already.
Okay, cool.
How much is actually going to be?
£10 to sit in it and get your photo. Yeah.
Per person?
Yeah. So if one went in, you can have a photo of all around it if you want.
Right, okay, it's just he will want it. But think about it.
When is the...
Hi,
Hiya, you fine?
Yeah.
You got gold pens. How much are they? I know. But it's
Bullets.
bullets.
£3 each they are.
Are they? Tell you what.
Yeah, do you want one?
Yes, why not? Thank you very much.
stand in the queue.
Agree with that super one, like a no.
Yes, sir.
Oh, they're off. They're
Oh, they're huge.
all right. Here we go, guys.
What's the good ones?
Yes.
First time I've seen that.
Very busy, guys. We're gonna come back, guys. We went back to the hotel, dumped everything off. Now we're gonna go up to see the £1 burger guy, Chris Higgins. That is a burger place because we have got him a little something. Yes. I hope he's gonna open it. So we shall catch you when we get to the £1 burger man. Just to let you know, guys, we are at the £1 burger man, Chris Higgins, and the queue is just massive. I'm just gonna give you a quick turnaround. That is the queue. He's going to be very busy with his burgers. And also, just to let you know, there's another fellow YouTuber here. He's just started on YouTube, right? Your channel is called
Life in the Mondale.
Life in the Mondale. So please subscribe to his channel. Okie dokie.
Hiya, YouTube!
Yay! Well done. And the weather, I think, hopefully, will keep us keep fine for the air show, eh?
Yeah.
Yes. And if it isn't, then it's a waste of time, isn't it? But hopefully we can see some red arrows. Anyway, we're going to wait and get our burger. Catch you guys later. Bye bye. What's best to try and get onto the pier? Ah, you have to go down on the pier. Come on then, let's cross. Alan! Well, we're just about to cross and we're just about to go.
How do you shock your heat? Always go down over. Cross that in like, yeah, I don't.
Yes. I think up on here would be fine.
Yeah.
Up on here?
Got that wish, kid, don't you?
Yeah. Right, it's really busy. The red arrows, we're still watching the red arrows, if I'm right. So we're just going to walk down here. We've been on the pier. So we'll just carry on down by here. Let's see what's happening. Huh? Yeah. Right guys, we're standing out beside Happy Days and guess who we've bumped into?
Coco and Chanel.
Huh?
Coco and Chanel, that's who you bumped into.
Ah, there we go, see, look at that!
They're famous.
Yay! Follow these two on Facebook, on YouTube, please. Hello. You're so gorgeous. Hey, you're so beautiful. You are. And we also got Pete as well, look.
Yeah,
And he owns Happy Days, just right beside us.
that's right.
Please follow Pete on YouTube,
Yep.
along with his counterpart Chris,
That's the Crap Boy channel.
and the Crap Boys
Yeah,
channel. They do tremendous good jobs, I tell you. Have you got any more videos coming up this week? Have you gonna try anything
Yeah,
nice?
there's a couple more coming up.
Couple
A
more.
couple more food videos. You said
I think you should travel around the UK.
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you
Really?
gonna- yeah.
Do some food.
Yeah, but remember
It's
to.
hard enough keeping up with this, like here.
That's true. That's true
Right.
indeed.
If we ever do that, it'll be in the winter. It'll never be in the summer.
Summer, that's true indeed, yes. So please remember to follow Pete and Chris, the Crap Boys, okie dokie. We're gonna go just now. Remember to like and subscribe to this
Hit the like
video.
button and subscribe, viewers. That's what
Thank
you
you.
gotta do.
Thank you very
I'll
much.
see you
Thank you
tomorrow
very
morning
much.
and I'll play that then.
Also remember to follow his other channel. It is called It's Not Your Boy Leroy. What I'll do, I'll put the links in the YouTube subscription, okay, in the YouTube comments, so you guys can follow their channels, okie dokie. Now, we did try and go round to Hickett's. The queue was so massive, we couldn't get in there. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to go round first thing in the morning and hand over the parcel. That's what the plan is. So we will be going over there tomorrow morning before the queue starts.